Hi everyone, I'm Deborah Ruther and here's your market wrap for Wednesday, December 30th. The market ended in the green but basically flat. This followed yesterday's lackluster ending. The Times Square intersection was closed down for about 2 hours today, including an evacuation of the Nasdaqs market site. Police cleared the area following reports of a suspicious van that had been parked in the square for several days. No explosives were found after an investigation and the area soon got back to business. Manufacturing activity in the Midwest jumped in December, beating economists' expectations. The index rose to a reading of 60, up from the previous month and surpassing expectations. Meanwhile, GMAC Financial Services will reportedly receive $3.5 billion in additional government aid. This is in addition to the $12.5 billion already received last year. And the Federal Drug Administration said it would not approve Johnson & Johnson's skin infection antibiotic. The FDA stated results were insufficient and more testing is needed before it passes the drug. Shares of J&J fell 0.1% on the news. Let's see what all this meant for the market. The Dow and S&P both ended flat for the day. Meanwhile, the Nasdaq rose a mild 0.1%. Now let's take a look at the Treasury and commodity markets. Treasuries turned to the upside, recovering a little of its recent slump. Crude oil finished moderately higher after the Energy Department showed another drop in stockpiles. Gold slipped for a second straight day, moving further below $1,100 per ounce. On the currency front, the dollar was little changed amid choppy trading versus the euro after earlier hitting a weekly high. Before we go, let's take a look at what's on tap for tomorrow. Initial jobless claims data is expected at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time, and the market is closed on Friday for New Year's Day. Employment data headlines next week's agenda, culminating with the big Labor Department report next Friday. There's your market wrap for Wednesday, December 30th. I'm Deborah Ruther. Have a great night.